Determine the desired rail placement and snap a line on the deck to ensure all posts are aligned properly. Ensure sufficient mounting structure exists in areas to receive posts. Install blocking where necessary. Plumb the posts using the shims provided and secure all posts in place. Are manufactured to accept 3/8 of an inch diameter stainless steel or hot-dip galvanized fasteners. Be sure to use the appropriate fasteners for your installation. Place rail panels across the opening and adjust to ensure equal space to the center of the panel. Mark each end of the rail panel 1/4 inch from post face to allow for bracket and/or weld clearance. Measure from this mark to the end of the rail, subtract 1/2 inch, and record this number for rod cutting step. Remove uprights. Remove number 10 hex screws from both top and bottom of uprights. Any bushings that remain on the rods, remove and insert them back into the upright. Measure and mark from the end of each rod the recorded measurement from earlier. Do this for both ends of the panel. Cut rods. Rods can be cut with an angle grinder, with a metal cutting disc, or other metal cutting tool. Make sure rods are free of burrs. It may be helpful to carefully lay the panel down and use blocks of wood between the rods, or if space permits, reattach the upright to keep them from moving during the cutting process. The RDI rail cutting jig is available and will assist in cutting the rails if using a jigsaw. Cut the top rail at your marks with a jigsaw, hacksaw, or seen here portable bandsaw. Test fit the rail panel. Once a proper fit is ensured, all cuts must be painted prior to final installation. Reattach the uprights to each side of the panel. Ensure rods are all fully seated into the bushings. A light tap with a rubber mallet may be needed. Pre-drill the attachment holes for the uprights with a 5/32 inch drill bit. Secure the uprights with number 10 hex screws removed earlier. Set the panel in place. Pre-drill the screw holes using a 5/32 inch metal drill bit. Secure with the supplied panel attachment hardware. 2 screws per bracket. Spread the bottom of the bracket cover approximately 1 inch. Wrap the cover around the rail as close to the post as possible. Hook the solid band of the clip into the underside of the bracket first. Squeeze the cover together from the sides until the 3-finger band snaps into the underside of the bracket. Assemble the 2-piece post trim cover by inserting 1 fastener in each trim half. Snap these in place, concealing the post flange.